Hey, welcome back to the channel. I hope y'all doing well. Y'all having a good night or a good day wherever y'all tuning in. Just hope y'all doing good. And today we're gonna be changing out the spark plug on the Raptor. I've been having the Raptor for about almost going on 4 years and I haven't changed it. So let me know if that's good, bad, or I'm in the good. But today I'm gonna be changing it, and yeah, we're gonna get straight into it. So you go on the right side of the Raptor towards like with the pipe, with the exhaust set. You come to this right here, and this right here is your ignition coil. Ignition coil. But what you want to do is just pretty much just twist this off, pull it off, and you're gonna see your spark plug. Okay, so that's the boot that was on there. That's the spark plug itself, and you will have to use a little bit of force to get that joker out of there. But once you get it out, that's the spark plug, and you want to get a deep socket to get the spark plug out. And this right here is a 16mm deep socket, because spark plug is pretty long itself, so you need a deep socket so you don't hit the tip. Oh shoot. Okay, as you see, we got the spark plug out. Hold up right there so you can see. And yeah, you can see that right there is pretty bad. That is 4 years. That was a 4-year-old spark plug look like. And this right here is the new one. You can see. So what I like to do, to get them right beside each other, sizes to make sure it's the right size. Everything like it's pretty much identical. And yeah, and I also went with the same stock because I looked through the internet to see which one do I really need. And there was just so many options. I just said, forget it, I'm going with the stock one. So you can see this right here is a, right there, if you want to read it, that's the one I got, that's the one that comes stock on them. So hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Okay, so that right there, the new spark plug, and what I like to do is just kind of put it in there and hand twist it myself, so that way we don't end up cross threading it, and that way you ain't worried about hitting the tip of with the wrench. So we're just gonna tighten that in and pretty much go from there. Okay, so we got the spark plug nice and tight. You don't have to tighten down, or at least I'm not gonna tighten down just all the way tight. It's gonna be tight, but I'm just not gonna I ain't gonna script. So all you gotta do now is just get your boot, snap it on there, like so. And you wanna make sure, okay, so we got the boot on. When you put the boot on, all you gotta do is just feel for a couple of like snaps onto the threads when you put the boot on. Once you feel it right there, and you can't push down no more, you should be good to go. And yeah, that's pretty much all it is, change the spark plugs. Not too hard, very simple. And yeah, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like the channel. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, y'all have a good one. Y'all stay safe out there.